Dia bajet tidak terus.
Dapat sudah sana. Thắp bờ vực.
Rahim.
So hello friends. Today in this video I'm gonna show you that I'm going to harvest sweet potato. This much all this field, it's a sweet potato that we used to grow. My parents used to grow, my father and my mother. So this is all the sweet potato over here. From this side though, it's a wheat. In this middle, it's only sweet potato. So this is the leaf. As you have seen that, I think the one that who grow sweet potato, they will recognize the leaf. So now I'm going to harvest just for eating. So this is all sweet potato. See like this. So this is all here. So this is that my mother has already harvested half of this bun. We used to this with this packle to harvest. So this is where we used to carry the sweet potato after harvesting.
Selai.
Dạo
thị selai.
Có khi ta sala.
Vàng. Vàng.
Te itu bam kata.
Rem.
Guava.
Guava.
She's eating guava. This is guava that we used to plow. So now I'm going to start from this to this one. So first we have to remove this leaf.
Betul ya, ya arli bagi yo, leligi, soligi. Sana. Sana. Tuh.
So this is the sweet potato that we got, that I have harvested. Some is big, some is small. So this is it. Hidam piring le. Udah makan. Ah.
Hindi ko yan.